Hello friends, I'm Manak from Civil Center and I welcome all of you back to our video tutorial series on MS Excel. So friends, in this video, we'll see how to use the maximum and minimum function in MS Excel. So friends, basically these two functions are used to find out the minimum value and the maximum value in a series, in a row, or in a group of selected cells. Suppose here it is mentioned the width of flange. So in this column, I want to know what is the maximum width of my flange. So I'll simply type here equals to max and then I'll give a first bracket and then we can simply select these cells. So I have inserted the range, that is max I10 to I40. Now I can close this and press enter. So we can see that it has given the maximum width of my flange, that is 210 mm. Similarly, we can also find the minimum width equals to min minimum and then we can insert the range. So I will simply insert the range here, enter. See, it has given the minimum width of my flange. So it is a negative figure. So if I simply go and change this, let us see. So the minimum width of my flange is 40 mm. So in this video, we have learned how to find out the minimum and maximum value of a particular series in MS Excel using the max and min function. That's all for today. See you in the next video. Bye.